Ever wondered why Facebook keeps showing you the same reels over and over? It's because Facebook saves every reel and video you watch. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete your Facebook Reels watch history so you can reset your recommendations and keep your activity private. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone, or head to facebook.com if you're on a computer. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right, then tap the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. From there, scroll down until you see Activity Log under Your Activity and tap it. At the top of the screen, swipe sideways through the categories until you find Videos Watched, then tap it. This section shows every reel and video you've watched on Facebook. Once you're inside Videos Watched, you'll see an option at the top that says Clear Video Watch History. Tap it, confirm, and Facebook will start deleting your entire Reels and video history. If you've watched a lot of videos, it may take a few moments, but once it's done, your watch history is completely wiped. This can help clean up your recommendations and give you a fresh start. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you have any questions.